Hi, welcome to
TLC.
TLC. Today we're going to do a short and easy recipe, great for the whole family. Takes no time at all to prepare. Let's get into it. It's chicken and cheese tortilla wraps.
Yes.
Okay, first of all, take yourself a jumbo tortilla, cut it from the center out, just like that. So you've got a flat there. And now we're going to prepare it. So first of all, we're going to start with the cheese. Take some chicken, then we're going to use the pizza sauce. We're going to add some more cheese. Now, what you're going to do next is fold it over into the quarters, just like so. Flatten it down as much as you can, and then we'll head to the pan. All right, let's start by just putting a little bit of oil in. You don't want it up too high, probably on medium to high temperature, because you want to melt the cheese. Gently place them in. And the idea is that you want to get them nice and golden brown, and also melt the cheese inside. Once they're nice and golden brown, flip them over, and then we're good to go. And here's the final result. Bon appetit.
Yummy.